How to buy a Wisdomise AI token. This token came under the symbol of WSDM. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, this token, as you can see, open it on CoinMarketCap. After that, copy the token address from here. This token is under the Polygon network. Now go and open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now select the Polygon from here. I will just search for it. Now after that, as you can see, select the Polygon as a network. Click on plus icon, paste the token address, and as you can see, this is our token. Now after that, click on plus icon, go back to your wallet, find the token. As you can see, this is it. Click on it, click on swap here, switch it from here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. After that, it's simple and easy. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Wisdomise AI token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.